Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks, where we meet with the top thought leaders and strategists in emerging technologies, digital assets, the regulatory landscape, and capital markets. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, and joining us this afternoon, we have Rami Jokela, CEO of Solar Foods. We're here to discuss revolutionizing global food production and the importance of communicating a green business strategy to investors and stakeholders. Rami, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Yeah, thank you very much for the invitation.
You got it. Let's tell us more about Solar Foods. It's a Finnish food tech company with a bold mission to revolutionize global food production. For those who may not be familiar with Solar Foods, how would you describe the company's vision and value proposition in a quick elevator pitch?
Wow, I need to actually summarize very quickly this, but we will bring the revolutionary solution for the food production, and we will do this step by step. So bring available for everybody in different food applications and countries, step by step. We are making the paradigm shift with the food production. If you compare actually agriculture over the 60 years, they doubled the food production. Every factory, what we build, will tenfold it. So tenfold it, 5 times more than actually what the fertilizers did agriculture of the 60 years. So you can see we do it very, very sustainable way compared actually what the fertilizers actually damage the globe actually at the same time in a sustainability point of view. We have 2 key value propositions. One is actually our production platform. It's a global leading fermentation production platform that bring actually this kind of high quality protein available. And the other one actually is the end product, Solein, which is actually very good in taste, texture, functionality, as well as the nutritional aspect. That's about the elevator speech quickly.
It's been years since Solar Foods listed on Nasdaq First North Growth Market. How has the listing supported your strategic ambitions, particularly your international expansion and commercialization efforts?
There's 3 topics. First of all, visibility. So we are a global company, and when you are Nasdaq, of course, Nasdaq is global, well-known. So that visibility actually attract both actually the strategic investors, institutional investors, as well the customers. So when we are talking about big CPG companies, as well the health and performance companies, so then they can know actually better who we are. That's one of the key topics. The second topic actually is about transparency of our strategy, roadmap, and what is come up to. So then it's much easier, faster to any of the both investors, but also the customers who are looking for the solution as well. And actually, thirdly, of course, it will take the whole company to the new level, a new level of the operations as well, actually the transparency and processes, what we should do. So very good move indeed.
And Solar Foods also holds Nasdaq's Green Equity designation, which highlights companies committed to transparent and impactful sustainable strategies. Why is it important to communicate that to your stakeholders and investors?
Everything what we do here in the Solar Foods is linked with the sustainability. Our core, our business, and how we help with our Solein ingredient product to our customers is all linked with the sustainability. So this green equity designation, what we have actually, of course, it's a very, very good platform to demonstrate that one. We will help actually our customers. If you take a CPG company, for example, who consumer packaged goods, who they have actually set their targets, perhaps without saying names, but some of those they have said end of the decade in 5 years' time, they are about the half of they are reducing that, the half of the CO2 is there. How they can do it? They have their programs, but we know that we are the solution. We have quicker solutions, very, very clear solution actually. If they actually team up with us, they actually replace some of the ingredients with our Solein ingredient, they will get a significant reduction of the CO2 on the spot. Of course, with that kind of designation, what we have the transparency as well as what we can do with our sustainability story as well.
And finally, Rami, as Solar Foods enters its international growth phase, how do you envision Solein reshaping the global protein landscape, both in terms of sustainability and consumer adoption?
All right, let's start actually where we are coming from. We have actually done 7 years this kind of technology verification, also the safety assessment that food is safe, and actually got the value proposition that also tested in the market. So what we are doing now, so we are going for the global and commercialization journey. And we have started that about 8 months ago. And now we have actually the first MOUs. We have 2 of those. We have LOI as well with a big global health and performance company there as well. We have also the first agreements with the customers to get the product to the market. So this year there will be in the US actually Solein-based products on the market as well. Singapore, you already can find every month, Ajinomoto, our partner, actually is releasing 1 new product as well. So this adaptation actually is coming. Commercial customers and consumers, they will see it. That's just the 1 key part. Then what we can see that we will bring the real good solution, not only sustainability point of view, but actually the taste, texture, functionality, nutritional aspect point of view, and be affordable. So today there is a couple of things. One is that animal-based proteins. The good part of that actually where you have very good PDCAS as well, actually very good composition of the amino acids. But then the plant proteins, they are very sustainable as such. We combine both worlds. We combine the best of the both worlds. So we actually offer our customers and consumers actually absolutely great solution. And the solution is available today. And same time, we know where the health and performance segment, for example, there is not enough supply because of whey is a byproduct of the dairies and the cheese production, and that is stagnating. There's not enough supply of this kind of benchmark protein, and actually we will bring the absolutely same level, or we believe even better actually solution for the consumers. So when there is a 100 kiloton gap in the supply, so we can actually bring this and help actually companies who are focusing, for example, is our key market focus at the moment, health and performance segment and this kind of health and wellness. So we will bring actually this Solein and help our end customers and end users actually get access to this kind of very, very good protein, high quality protein, which is not available as a market in the growth needs point of view.
All right. Appreciate the insight, Rami. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Yeah, thank you, Jill.